Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga Center. This is Gayana. Today we are going to look at the pose called Baddha Padmasana. Baddha Padmasana is the advanced level of doing a Padmasana. Baddha means a lock or a bond. Padma means a lotus. In this pose, we are crossing the hands at the behind and locking the big toes. Before moving to the asana, if you are a new visitor to our channel, do subscribe and click a bell icon and you are not going to miss any video from our channel. Let's begin our practice. First, before getting into the Baddha Padmasana, we should master some of the certain poses called Padmasana. Yes, let us begin. Apply the right leg in Urdhva Padmasana. Left leg should be straight. From here, slowly take your hand back, okay? Rotate your shoulder and take your hand back, okay? From here, with your both starting fingers, try to lock your big toe. From here, slowly bend forward down and slowly rest your forehead on the knee. If you are not able to lock the big toe, you can use the rope. You just put the rope to the leg complete. Same way, take your hand back. Just try to hold comfortably here. Same way, bend forward down and stay here. Okay? By day of practicing, you can move your hands as closer as possible towards the feet. In few days after, you can lock your big toes and bend forward and stay here. Yes, now slowly come up and relax. Try to practice both sides equally. So if you feel difficulty to lock, you can do without locking the big toe, which I am showing now. Same way, leg in off lotus. With your both hands, lock your foot and bend forward down and stay here. If you are not able to touch the knee, it's okay. Just bend here only, no problem. Stay comfortably and stay here. Same way, come up and relax. Let us practice same way on the other side as well. In the beginning, your knees will be rising up because if you have a tight thighs or a big thighs, your thighs will be raising up like this. It's okay, no problem. By day of practicing, you will get the complete Urdhva Baddha Padmasana. Yes, same way, lock. And same way, bend forward down and stay here. If you want to master this asana, just try to first, you should master the Padangusthasana, which is forward leg bending forward. Yes, same way, slowly come up and relax. Slowly release your legs. Shake your legs and relax. You can stay in this pose as long as possible. There is no time limit. You can just start with first 30 seconds. You can day by day, you can increase the count as well. Let us move to the another stage. Let us do the same thing with Padmasana. Same way, apply the Padmasana. After Padmasana, same way, make sure always remember whichever the leg is up, just try to take your hand back. So if your right leg is up, you can take it, your right hand back. If your left leg is up, if your right leg is up means you can take with right hand. If your left leg is up means you can take the left hand. Same way, take your left hand back. Just lean forward and slowly try to lock your big toe. Okay, after locking the big toe, same way, come back to the normal stage. Just place your right palm on the left heel. Slowly twist little bit towards the left side and stay here. Make sure try to practice this asana. If you like in the one day in the beginning you are not able to lock the complete big toes together, just try to practice this pose for about few days. After practicing about few days, you can try with both hands as well. Yes, same way, come to center and relax. Let us do it on the other side as well. Same way, take your right hand back, lean forward, lock your big toe, palms on the knee, twist and stay here. slowly release and relax. If you are not able to lock the big toe, make sure try to use with the strap or else a rope as well. I am using with the rope. Let us see how to do the final position. Same way, take your left hand back, lean forward a little bit, just try to lock your big toe tightly as grip. Slowly come up all the way. Same way, right hand back, lean forward towards the right side and slowly lock your big toe and slowly straighten up the spine and come back. And slowly look up to the ceiling and stay there. In the beginning, your body will be towards the sidewise or else maybe forward. Just try to practice. If you're in this pose, just try to practice as long as possible. Don't force, just listen to your body. If your body is towards the sidewise, just with the support of your yoga teacher, just ask them to, just can you help with my shoulders? They can push to the normal stage like this. From here, after applying this, just raise your head up, inhale. With exhaling, slowly bend forward down and stay here. Very good. Slowly come up and relax. So if you are not able to lock your big toes, you can use the rope to the both legs with the rope. Same way, take your hand back, just try to lock your rope from back side. And slowly from day by day onwards, you can walk your palms and slowly one on another day you are locking the big toes. So there is no rules like I have a belly fat or else I have a big thighs. There is no nothing. If you have a free shoulder movement, you can do it very easily. Yes, now slowly release and relax. Yes, slowly release the rope from the legs. Now slowly release your legs from Padmasana and relax. That's it for today. I am telling once again, there is no such rule you have to be flexible in this. The flexible movement should be on your shoulders. Okay? Make sure, try to remember the shoulder flexible is really important in this asana. If you have any question regarding to the Baddha Padmasana, just give a comment down in the comment section. Make sure if you like this video, hit the like button and share this video, and thanks for watching this video. Namaste.